Hey guys, just thought I'd show you. We just did a conversion on Tobias's Fury. You guys have seen this car before. This is the one with the 3rd gen Hemi in it. So what we did was we took the 727 out that he had built that wasn't working right, but that's another story. And we put a 46RH in the car. So now the car has lockup and overdrive, and it should come on as pressures get to the point. I'll show you when we let it down here, how it controls it. So basically it's just two pressure switches and a vacuum switch for arming. Pretty simple setup. Wasn't too hard to put it in there. We had to shorten the drive shaft. I think it was 3 inches and a half. Yeah, 3.5 inches. And then I had to build this. We had to cut the cross member out. So usually this goes straight across here. I had to cut that out, reinforce it, and then tranny mount, build a little gusset, and then the tranny mount's out of a Jeep, I think. It fits a bunch of stuff. Chevy, a Jeep, fits a whole bunch of stuff, but we made that work anyways. So hopefully we'll be doing some other stuff to this, changing the rear end, because he's gonna go to a 410 gear so that it'll come out of the hole a little harder, because it's a bit of a dog out of the hole right now. But that will fix that problem, I think. You wanna let her down? Basically it looks the same at the top as it did, other than there's an extra relay and the vacuum switch. This kit is it's a kit from PACC or PATC transmissions down in the States. Pretty simple setup. It's easy, pretty easy to wire. You know, it only took, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. You know, with some fittings, and they don't come with the fittings, you have to buy the fittings. But you know, pretty simple setup. So basically all it is that you can see there's a reference line right there on the back of the brake booster. That line comes around, it comes to this vacuum switch, which is factory. They have it factory set at 13 inches of vacuum, which might be a little bit on the high side, but we'll see anyways. So basically when you're off the throttle, the lockup and the overdrive can't be on because the relay is not on. So this relay is what controls it. And then this turns it on and off with the pressure switches. So it's a really simple setup. It's just, we got a fuse. I got a fuse in there, 7.5 amp fuse. I don't know if that's big enough, but it should be, because it's just turned on a couple little relays. So it's, or powering a couple little relays. So it's super simple. If you guys would like, I can, well, actually, I got the drawing for it, actually. To go into park? Guess you'll find out when you go to put it in, when you try to start it. So, this is the wiring diagram that they give you. I printed it off and laminated it, but, so there's your 2 pressure switches, your lockup torque converter setup. Now, this is something you can do with a diesel, but the pressures, if you crank the pressures up, the pressures are gonna be a little bit different. So there is a little bit of monkeying that you have to do, and then obviously you're not using a vacuum solenoid. You would have to set that up differently for I guess you could do a throttle position probably. I've never done it that way. I've done it with pressure switches and stuff, but a little bit different with the diesel application. But you can do it this way. I'm gonna monkey with it a little bit, probably on the next project that we put something that has lockup and overdrive. I might even actually do something for the shorty like that. We'll see. So then it doesn't have to be like, you'll be able to command it with switches if you want, or it'll automatically shift for you. And maybe I'll even do something on the race truck eventually, or maybe we'll do a better controller for it. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that you can buy plugs from them, fast shipping, because it was like 2-day shipping. It was super fast. I don't know. No, it doesn't have it on there. But anyways, it was a relatively. I'll link it down below for the kit, and then this is the diagram for telling you how the vacuum switch works. There again, super simple, in my opinion. Anyways, pretty simple. Anyways, just a short one, just a little what we're doing tonight, I guess you would say, video. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more of this type of stuff. Like, subscribe, share, all those good things. It does make a difference if you like, doesn't make a difference if you comment. So please do so, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.